Hello everybody, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I have been the world's worst vlogger this week. And I had a couple of you say, you cannot wait to see my 4th of July. Well, Ronnie had to play the piano at a church in Ohio for 4th of July. I didn't actually really celebrate the 4th of July on 4th of July. Celebrated on the 5th because a lot of people was off work and I had invited a lot of people over to the house and I made a bunch of food. Anyhow, I did not vlog as much as I had hoped that day. I had gotten up super early, started working on all the food and the preparation, and I love doing it. But it is time consuming, and so it was like I kept forgetting to pick up the camera, and then my company came and I was serving them and I was talking to them and I didn't really get a chance to pick up my camera. Shame on me, I know. But I just wanted to come in. This is going to be the shortest video ever. I just have this feeling. But I'm going to insert right here all that I videoed on 4th of July for those of you that wanted to see what I was cooking and all of that kind of festivities. So here you go. Good morning, everybody. I'm not sure what I'm going to get filmed today. I feel like I'm all over the place because I don't know why I'm in a hurry, but I am because I know I have a lot to get done. Today is actually July 5th. We did not have a get together for July 4th because Ronnie actually plays the piano at a church in Proctorville. So we knew we had that. So we decided that we would just celebrate July 4th today. Although last night we did watch the fireworks on our front porch with our neighbors and his mom and dad. So we did celebrate a little bit of July 4th yesterday. And we had lasagna at his mom's before church. So yeah, so anyhow, I'm starting today. I have boiled eggs. I have fried bacon. And now I just got done cutting up a seedless watermelon. And the reason why I did this is because Ronnie really likes it cold and I do too. And so I'm just going to put the lid on this and put this in the refrigerator so it's nice and chilled. We're going to eat about 2 o'clock. So I just thought I'd take you step by step, well, kind of step by step, and show you what I'm preparing and, you know, for company today. I just got done making my 7-layer salad, and now I'm going to do my macaroni salad. This is so delish, and you have to make this first because it has to set in the refrigerator for a while so that all this marries each other and it tastes scrumptious. So I'm going to get this in the fridge, and I'm off to macaroni salad. There is my macaroni salad. I'm going to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator, and I can't think. I need to sit down and get me something cold to drink. But I always put the eggs, whenever there's eggs in salad, I always do this to let people know that there's egg in the salad in case they don't want it. And I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to put this in the fridge, and I'm going to get myself something cold to drink and sit down for 5 minutes. So I just made my strawberry salad. I've got to put this in the refrigerator. I was going to say oven, but no. Refrigerator. Once it sets up, then I cover it with whipped topping. I've got deviled eggs going here. I've got to get this mixed up, get these popped into the fridge. And I'm almost there, guys. And I think it's 8:30 in the morning. I started at 5, so if that lets you know how long I've been in here, that's how long. So I'm going to throw this into the refrigerator and get it to set up. Eggs are done. Now it is time to clean up this mess. And then I'm going to put dessert into the oven, I think. But anyways, I got to get this cleaned up and then be on to phase 5000. Okay, dishes are washed. Deviled eggs are made. So now I have hot dogs, buns, chili, and desserts to conquer. So what I'm going to do is take a little break. I'm going to come back. I'm going to put all this away. And then I'm going to work on desserts because the chili is really easy to do. I just have to brown it. You guys seen me make chili just recently in a video. And then I'm gonna load it all into my crock pot. I'm gonna put the hot dogs in the crock pot, plug it in over here, and that way everybody can help themselves. Easy, easy. So I decided, since I had everything, I'm going to make homemade peanut butter pies. These are really easy. They set up. I'll link the recipe down below. I've got my peanut butter and cream cheese going, and then I'm going to add this. And I love the extra creamy. It really does make a difference. It's delicious. So you're hearing Ronnie on TV. He does voiceover because he's blind. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So anyways, I have one Oreo pie crust, peanut butter pie. And this is just a regular graham cracker because Ronnie's dad can't have chocolate per se. He can have a little bit, but not a whole lot. But anyways, he can have a piece of this one. And I grated a hazelnut chocolate bar, just a little bit on the top, just to make it pretty. I'm going to cover these and put these in the refrigerator, and they will be completely set. They're already, you could cut them and eat them. They're really thick, and I have tried some of it. It is super amazing. I'll link the recipe down below for anybody who is interested. Okay, now I'm ready to go upstairs and take my shower. Everything is done. It is 12:30. So I work from 5:30 this morning to 12:30. I was up at 5, but I worked from 5:30 to 12:30. And I'm going to tell you guys, when this is over, I'm going to crash. But anyhow, I've got my chili in here looking good. Smells wonderful too. And then I'm going to tell you guys, if you have an extra crock pot, you can set it on high for the first hour. Put your hot dogs in there and just let it get done. These are all beef bun size ballparks. I love these hot dogs. I know everybody kind of has their own preference, but that is my favorite hot dog right there. And this way, just take the lid off, and everybody can help themselves. I'm going to put the buns up here, and the condiments, which I got out a little bit. I still have to take out the garbage, but I'm going to do that after I get myself settled, because I'm always afraid somebody's going to show up early, and I'm still in my pajamas. I confess it. I'm still in my pajamas. Anyhow, I just made myself a big iced tea, and I'm headed upstairs. I hope you guys had a fabulous 4th. I hope you guys have a fabulous week. Thank you so much for watching. As you could see, I made a lot of food. I made strawberry jello salad. If you're interested in that recipe, I'll link it down below. It is a favorite, and I love it. It's easy, and it always gets ate up every time I make it. I made macaroni salad, which came out delicious. I made 7-layer salad, which was devoured, and even my best friend who came to my little get-together, she took some home with her for lunch at work the next day. It was that good. So Emma, I hope you enjoyed that. So then, let's see what else I made. I made homemade hot dog chili. So obviously we had hot dogs in buns. I cut up a giant watermelon. We had plenty to drink, and I made 2 homemade peanut butter pies. If I have any of the recipe videos, if I've done it on my channel, I will link it down below if you are interested. Peanut butter pie is super, super easy. And if you have a peanut butter lover, like my family, I don't know anybody in my family that does not absolutely love peanut butter. Some of you guys have asked me if you can actually make the peanut butter pies using other things like almond butter and such. I personally have never done it, but I don't see why you couldn't, long as you made sure that the consistency was thickened and creamy. I don't see any reason why you couldn't do that. I know of somebody who is always, cannot have peanut butter, but they like the new sunflower. They like sunflower butter. They like almond butter. There's so many to choose from nowadays, which is fantastic. But anyways, I won't keep you guys much longer. I know this is a very short video, but I did not want to leave you guys empty-handed with nothing to watch today. I hope you guys enjoy. This is probably going to come out a little later today. I am actually headed off to the gym, got the bathing suit on. It is in the 90s here, and I am not passing up an opportunity to go swimming. And if there's an opportunity to go swimming, I am in the pool. And I hope nobody gets mad at me on here for it, but I am going swimming. And then when I'm done swimming, I'm going to come home, make some dinner, and just relax. Just relax today. So I hope you guys have a very relaxing day too when you see this video. Thanks so much for your patience and watching this and sticking with me. I'm hoping that Friday's video will be a whole lot better than this one. But you guys keep hanging in there. I'm going to keep pressing on. And remember, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I put out a video. So be watching for those. Invite your friends. If you're new, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment about your 4th of July. What did you guys eat on 4th of July? I'd like to know. So I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye, guys.